Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be in Module 5, and our topic today is creating the 5 P's to a perfect blog post. And the 5 P's are to plan, prepare, publish, promote, and then profit from your blog post. So here I wanted to show you a blog post that I recently did. It's called Don't Pick the Pretty Watermelon because I have found over the years that the prettiest watermelons at the market are not the most sweet. I have found that the ugliest watermelons that you pick are actually the sweetest watermelons. So the first thing for the 5 P's was to plan. And I wanted to plan out. I have a blogger plan sheet that I am going to include in the module that you can use. It's going to be in your blog planner and also in your worksheets that I actually copy and I write out so that I can plan every single thing that I wanted to do. So for this particular one, I wanted to kind of have a checklist. So I chose the 5 top ways that you can pick the perfect watermelon. One was choose the female. Second was the heaviest one is best. The look for the ripe stem. The look for a yellow bottom, and I have some pictures. And then the Kiss of Bees marking, which I never knew about until I learned about that. It was totally cool. And then getting that perfect watermelon. I've also included 2 recipes that I have on my blog that's going to link to other blogs because I want to keep them on my site. And so I have my watermelon fruitcake and my watermelon pizza recipe on there. So there's my plan. The next thing is to actually prepare it, and that is where I'm actually selecting the photographs, taking the photographs. It's a video I might do on YouTube. I might insert, actually, I think I'm going to do a YouTube video, and I'll insert that there. And I want to prepare that all. And what I usually do is I'll go ahead and just write all the content. Put it in there, go into my blogs, do add new. Go ahead and just add it in there and just keep saving it as a draft. I don't want to publish it yet. And then I go and then highlight, like under here where it says number 1, choose female. I went ahead and went up and gave that a little bit bolder and a little bit larger font, which you can do up in your paragraph depending on the theme that you have. And then I inserted all of the photographs that I wanted. I just added them to my library and then posted them where I wanted them to go. Of course, you can do edits where you can make the photographs larger or smaller. Then when I felt comfortable with it, especially with some links, because I have some links down here, I have the link to the watermelon fruitcake and I have a link to the watermelon pizza. And also, I have an opt-in, so when people are on this blog post, they'll see an opt-in that shows them that they get a free cookbook if they give me their email. So it's kind of a way to get their email. And then I go ahead and do the publish. Now, once it's published, now's my job to promote it. And that's where I'll go to all my social media sites, and I will go to my Instagram account and my Pinterest account and my Facebook pages, and I will look and see which ones of those would best benefit from this blog post. This blog post is not about blogging, so I wouldn't put it on my blogging page, but I would put it on my Today's Creative Mom page, my Today's Creative Mom Pinterest page, and my Today's Creative Mom Instagram account, and then of course on YouTube as well. And then I will actually find ways that I can profit from it. One is that I can put an affiliate link in there. I could talk about starting blogging course. I could put in products that you can use for slicing watermelons, or a beautiful plate that maybe Amazon sells if I had Amazon links on here. So this is where you kind of do most of the profit making. You might have a cookbook that you're selling if you're in the food blogging world, or some other type of thing that you can actually promote and then profit from just this one blog post. And then of course on your sidebar or up in your header, you might have some links to some ads that are there that's as they're on the site, they'll be looking at as well. So these are all areas where you can profit. So that's your 5 P's to a perfect blog post. Plan, prepare, publish, promote, and profit. All right, we'll see you soon.